blessings getting nearer, getting nearer, getting nearer. Asafo Maradona, Keteke menyega me ya mizona. See now I'm grounded, no longer hate I'm standing. Man, you know fi change my story. See I'm on a mission, this year I am winning. Principalities problem. See all be panicking, na God we run am more. Zero panicking, no more calamities. Maugata, maybe I'm a demigli. Let me sing some melody. Let me hear you sing Hossana, Hossana, Hossana. Mauga way they run am, Hossana, Hossana. Let me hear you sing Hossana, Hossana, Hossana. Mauga go run am for we. Let me hear you sing Hossana, Hossana, Hossana. Mauga way they run am, Hossana, Hossana. Let me hear you sing Hossana, Hossana, Hossana. Mauga go run am for we.
No 9, no 10, no money, no friend. Oh, brother count one, make a count two, make a buy some dinner. No 9, no 10, no money, no friend. Oh, brother count one, make a count two, make a buy some dinner. No 9, no 10, no 9, no 10, no. Let's go. Brother count one, make a count two, make a buy some dinner. Okay, this is Noah. We are Akpini News Tours. Today we get one of our own, Asafo Maradona, here in our midst. We are going to vibe about how he started his music. Then the new album is coming to release. Keep tuned to the interview.
99 fools, the weather's so cold. Some of them trusting their money, some of them trusting their idol. Think you've overpaid on my landlord. Put all that jam, please close doors. I never want to lose my focus. I'm life too short like matchbox. If you think say I stress that with decoy, see now the king coin. Let's give him his praises with one ball. Let me hear you sing Hossana, Hossana, Hossana.
Let's welcome our own Asafo Maradona.
Bro.
Asafo, yo, bro, everything cool. Welcome to Akpini.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Your audience want to know who we get for an amazing.
Okay. I go by the name Asafo Maradona, as known on stage, but my real name is Reagan Edu-Yao. I'm a native of Kpando-born, Agudze to be precise. But I live in DJ, we too tired. We do DJ way. I really understand.
Yeah, we so.
That thing some DJ, I'm a DJ boy.
Yo,
I'm from Kpando-Agudze to be precise.
Yeah. Welcome to the show.
We so bro.
Yo, but this your beat where they go for the background, they bust my brain.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you want to hear something about them?
Yeah, sure.
You look in the face as if you don't know them, you them a drop making wild. If you don't looking swag, you can't go. Make you know they take me for whom I'm not know. What did you make to do? Now we go reach home.
Sure. Asafo to the world.
Gang.
Asafo to the world. Yo, okay. Our viewers, yeah, they are watching you live. They want to know about you. They want to know how you start your journey till you reach here today.
No, okay. I started my music way back, I would say in 2009. I once had a cousin who used to be a musician, and we lost him way back. So I decided to just pick up the mantle. I'm the I'm for a very long time. My and that's been a very difficult journey.
Yo, sure.
Keep fighting.
Yo, so le one phone if you am now any one influencer or motivator. Yeah, now we talk at the music. I mean, you Antoni Kwela, we talk about the talent. You know, you know.
Why are you for me? Who happy for you? If you tell you you got great, you die. No idea anything. So no don't put it. The first I come back to Spigot Kulkid.
Yeah, sure.
Spigot Empire la. Maybe it's a DNA thing. And I mean if we that's where all these things are.
But that Spigot Empire that time you release some song. The song it go African League, that African girl, that
you get one girl where they my hood.
That song is the bash. The bash. That song every day they play.
Twerk. Yeah.
Sure. Yo, Mpolawe, Asafo ekele mi adome. Yantwale ni akele ome de na mi be mi ase. Eji akwe. Asafo. Mi obe toji no la me de shop wa no jibi onya be how ngona ri. Ntwa ngona na olo alo amede ngona na alo leki.
Oh,
Egombe how ya nya gbe osin.
Most of them gradually make me now. That the coconut. And most of the times, you may how be me Tinchina beba ngolele tepede kuma ba power people when I later inspiration is the big inspiration. And here make definitely we upon the we no nya po echo. Me ten no film boy, me ten no film boy for la go. I go pick some inspiration from the movie. Go make hala that inspiration. What I'm going through, what I see others go through. So for music, AI form na part of what you are. I tell you that part.
Yo, okay. I bet you need to but I go be out and you supposed to so many come because you are leo pa when you are low. I'm a job be I'm doing one and I go economy and be trying one in our any join me. Yo, me doing me and you kill if you intend your mania. Lady, what is your proudest achievement or proudest moment in the music?
My proudest moment, me perform in a lepo. They are relating to my song. It gets me happy because Charlie, they told me me a me have you take grace, divine grace. That's why I made it so. I bet you most of the times, me performing. You me the car evade. People there. You're the only job. Bola. Me am opete o kakena America video nyale si check nyale di job ko nka lata man yi
sure yo me am the fool e just nto akemi po be feel like the music or video e mi po cha be ngande le mo ti gba enye aboni ya kire bole de gbe pero ko no toji no la ojibe lasi yo anya abone re o title de qualify o ya ton po e
okay abe album moya no nyita I have a lot of songs ni me ka jo gwani amela sunu kwa 50 60 70 in maka do take ko be music without promo
sure
akọ music for that the way sikebe o ma to promote you ma to won de ko wora that's been a problem ta me po we me da still haun de they ma arrange look you 1 or 2 ways we can arrange beta baba yi jijide we midi arrangement one album title ni The Rising Sun you know ya be The Rising Sun chei e go me ba Agudze aguya yin do and Agudze The Rising Sun no the comedy dey ku album full album ye okay how am 11 elegy intro we have to show le o yo me only high level me wodo le ge I mi do Accra a big high pression me wo le Accra engineer de carry la scène le PV have side say one good engineer itala a che wo na ka fi scankile Kpando-born a che to asine session ai how I wo we opeto le streaming platform che all out audio mark kwa be hindrances video all le metai audio mark to me approve ka do la ke no ide streaming platform be sade ke YouTube, Facebook, you be telling you the social media platform for it. Agudze album era ready. I don't get the platform oko ajo po no stream.
Okay. Yeah, told you no lawe how do Agudze The Rising Sun do a streaming platform oji enyanya feel like me ton ye chogbero. Nya cha mi jagba ya ba stream hala. Me ko promote ya no we follow you.
Ma ka diche. If you say abe me feature every day me feature me abe ya Dopi Santana Yegra Nigeria artist dey say me apeka ko like pobela o milegbeji la be na invest nínú jawe legita the send do dey ateleji Happy Boy Flavor to Kwenda Star House Boy Flavor ya ateleji
Oh, okay. If you have le nous for anu ra apobe nya to nya to ntan ya for artist o ha de ka o le me o me ngo gbe yi chere baba. Asafo feature me to Nigeria kelu.
Hey, Reagan, big time. Go
Asafo
check it out,
feature me to
Reagan.
Nigeria kelu. Talk to le baba say happy new. Me ava stream her live. Me follow me. Me stream her email ton yo wolo do ko me le fo gbe fi fara me ase. Me ava follow me. Asafo. Ele me po be azon all the music. Allo e ha wo kilometer over the 60. They vado le o mo so za me po wait me ya pan ha wa enyere nu kai jo because me po be nu le se
music that's why music just we do decide to how ko to be nikile boy is forever no give up go unto onya there is this saying when die quitters don't win music no if you quit music you do yourself a big thing. They call music, no entertainment. There are so many times you feel like giving up. Like, hey, the thing is in our blood, like giving up. But the day you think about giving up, take the meaning of the women. Inspiration. Most of the time, say, I financial challenges away. If you keep to check. Until I I forget. There is no way you are going anywhere. The weights will come. Okay, you need the seat belt, the eye. That means to well assessing. The seat everything.
Akpe. Yo, Jeremia Jordan o ya ki o mo le kokon na rita. Ya ejile John Vava. Asafo to the world. Agudze streaming platform oji. Gere de stay and the for our Agudze. No I download wa say Asafo play Dupi Santana oha. Wa say Asafo play Nigeria artist oha. Gere a high level gbegbo feature gbegbo. Yadu play Asafo oha. Ya make o me say Yadu we, mi aba say Yadu oha. Ma make o me Asafo ha say we. Mi aba sa Asafo ha le.
Mina mi wo Kpando check to aninyo. Kpando me am go talk we la lo nyo. Kpando mi ate mi ato. You got beautiful boys. Oh, we ha all in gbogbo you know. Just give us a little support. No view. Only then you TikTok, we have follow me on TikTok. I'm making my Hossana. I don't know that. Don't subscribe to me audio mark account. I'm making my Hossana. Those are the only things me I work with me on your I'm you. They should just go online, look for our names. Asafo Maradona, Akpini News. This one people about Asafo Maradona and PG. Just go on all streaming platforms. I type Asafo Maradona. When you type here, I upon the salary KG. Go follow, or subscribe to pages. Leave comment or share. Na me book when you come on. You go better me kwa galo. Later come go kwa video. Yeah, Hossana ya check. Say
yo, Asafo. Me ma biave le gomme de jam préféré les ko ko le po. Le obi a compare o gomme de préféré. Le waton improvement over allo retardation over.
Oh, nwaya ndesa ko nyale wo. You vo abe no nyale nde wo consistency likola. Wa ko bela wa ela no vibe agbofa. Nyale nde wo eji ko. Wa na be vibe ko agaba. O ma to wa no nde wo nchu. No fi de no le mathematics pra fia me de Christian gbe. Nkekere le wa mi angura je wa we na le. Taya yi. You can call improvement in this side.
Maybe you don't know that or you will on high me. Say, give me the kiss on my neck. Let me feel it down in my spine. Oh my African girl, you didn't make my body. My sexy vanilla. You man them jigger. Too fine, you are bena. You friend, Asafo.
You look like
happy me. You know, Hailo and your woman with Gene Negre, Siambe, Kaucha, Ibajina Sio. Basse, how I say, how long, how Lee. No 9, no 10 left me. No 9, no 10. We have good fume, Jenny Cabjanqua, Magic Bodomania, Onua. We have some nice songs relegate my downfall, you jubilate. How you go feel elevate.
Abojopo before class 1. Yes, I.
You got to creep before you walk.
Life no be easy.
Neighbor say how eh. Enyagbe fufu le how me. Ni me cause follow me adoptu eh. Nya Akpini News Tours eke. Ni nya no vi Asafo Maradona. Ya igere mi adumegbe. Watch out. Mejo Yabakpo the rising sun. Agudze. The streaming platform eh.
I want to give some shout outs to some few people that have been there for me all this while. First of all, I'm saying na ni mawu kido na. Mawu ni mawu mele mo, we are not going anywhere. Secondly, now make way gym. They've been taking care of me all this while. Asafo gang. A big shout out to Asafo gang. I'm going to be when you're part of Asafo gang. A big shout out to Settle, man like Settle or Ghana now. Ghana, I'm not living in Ghana now. All my boys, DJ, I'm going to Flavor, Coffee Flavor, boys of Picking God man. Sage in Toi Lefi, the man behind the camera. I'm a DJ, Yadu, I'm a I would like to say a big thank you to all of you for that. You come from far. And we really have to do this. You mean I'm making my swag with Akpini News Tours. I mean, I'm new. Akpini News Tours. So you have everywhere. The yellow. Aye. Now we clean you. Let's go. Go.
Asafo to the world.
Give me red card. Yeah. Life not dice, I keep it rolling, no time for lies. I keep it rolling. Life not market, I keep on buying all of the time. All of this time. Mama on the fire, she buy the glove in P size. In P size. She buy them in P size. Coffee, don't give me bad, coffee, Coffee, don't give me bad, coffee,